Now we show how to install a remote start for the car with already original push start. This car is with the push button start. This is the original. So we only need use our system to add the remote start function. Now for a simple installation, now we only connect the power. And this is the power of a car, battery power, and this is GND. And I didn't connect anything else now. This is the soldering original remote. You can see another video. Now, this remote is our remote attached with this system. It's not original. This is original, so you need solder an original remote first. Now it's complete. And insert the connector to this socket. So we close all the doors. Now use now this system only connect the power and the GND, but we can do lock unlock this now. Lock unlock. You can see the original lock unlock because we solder, so it is very simple. And after we do completeness and power, the necessary wires must be connected. Is this one. ACC. What is ACC? ACC is mean the car, if the car start. Sorry. Okay. We must do a unlock first. If we lock it will cut the power, so the car will not induction the chip. Now we do unlock first. Now we can do engine. Now this is when. Now ACC is mean when the car powered start. This will be positive. This is 12 voltage. This is must connect. And another one is for this. We must connect this one to the trigger of this button start. I have a same one. How to find the wires we need connected. I show you. Now we use the nice pencil and the clip to the GND. Other side connect to the GND. This clip, and we use this one. And very important. It must be NAP. Can't use LED. Must be NAP. So we can connect this one. If the original remote inside, if untouch this one and press the foot brake, the car will be start. So if untouched this one, the car start. It means this wire is right, so we connect this trigger wire to this wire. It like as a person press one. So this is yellow wire to this, and white we set this is connect ACC because our system will detect ACC first to decide how where can decide if the car not on, we will do remote. If the car is on, we will not do remote start. So this one, and other wires must be connected. Is foot brake. will be connected to the foot brake. There is a wire. You also can use this one. When you press the foot brake, there will be a positive 12 voltage power. It means foot brake is right. So it like us because we press the foot brake now. So you can the original car need a foot brake pressed and push this button. So our wires is control this and the foot brake. And the other wires if you don't want anything else for a simple installation, it's just okay. Don't need to connect anything else. But there is a small thing because original remote can't control the car if the car start. This is if the car start. This is original remote. Now it can't do lock and unlock because the car start. So it's better we can connect this lock unlock. We need to connect unlock wire in the door. Something for Japanese car is very easy. You can find it on this wire. And for VW and other cars, you can find it from this and remove it and connect it for this unlock wire. And also we said you can not connect it, but when after the car remote start, we need to use our app or our remote do remote engine off. Then you can do open or do unlock by this remote, because if the car off, engine off, it can enable. And another thing, so recommend to connect this unlock. This is lock. Lock is necessary to connect, but if you can find it, recommend connect it together, because if we another thing, if some car like this car, if engine off, but the dash or video audio can't be off automatically, we need the connector and other two wires. Give this trigger, like us open a door. You see, like us, if the door opens, this will be off. How to do it? We need use this one. Connect this orange white to the GND with the black together, and use this and connect this wire to a door trigger to give because our system will output a negative signal to make the door open. But for Japanese car and other car is not necessary. For VW and Audi, these cars maybe you need it. If this car don't have if other car like Japanese car, when you do engine off, no dash on, no necessary connect this one. So it is same as your car. Okay, after connecting these wires, you can use adhesive, wrap it and play it on the car as possible as too nearby the driver. For if you play it too two inside is can't be inducted by the original induction. And then there is a connector for the APP module. And then we also can use this wire. This is optional. We can do remote start by original remote control. If we want to use original remote control to do remote start, it need insert this wire inside this hole, and the connector on other side to a detecting signal. Maybe some in most car is in the door. It connected to the motor, the central locking motor. When use original remote to unlock, the original wires will be positive when I press, and there was a positive signal. So we connected it. Now we can press 3 times. This wire will detecting the 3 times signal. So the system will do remote start. So this is optional. Same as if you want to do remote start by original remote, you can connect it. But if you don't want this function to simple installation, it don't need connect it. Okay, thank you.